Poor. Whatever.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
Why is that so loud? I don't know. Hey, it's not loud. Turn your speakers down. You remember the Soldier Boy video? He was like, "Hey, I'm not sure, Daddy." I forgot what he was said, but y'all get the point.
I don't fuck with niggas, that's why I be solo dolo. Big Roro, keep that Nordic demo, and I'm no Quasimodo.
I don't know why that took so long, twin, but hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet.
In case you didn't know, a shrimp has the ability to sneeze.
Huh? Why is eyeball look like that? That was a sneeze? It has lungs? Yo. That was with force.
A police officer told their dog to attack the suspect, but the dog was a little confused because they couldn't find anyone threatening.
Not the 7-Eleven. Oh my gosh.
This is what happens when the biggest plane in the
Bro
world
was like this far away. He could have just detained him, and it says like, "No, go gadget doggy, Fido, I choose you." Like, bro,
flies through clouds.
Ooh, you gotta turn your render distance up. That's actually so cool. Hey, it's a cat. I love when cats are idiots.
You come and eat my food.
Bro.
These police officers got themselves some really cool new scooters.
Oh, he on the grass with it? Oh,
Hey.
all terrain. You ain't gonna stop
Oh,
him.
ooh.
Oh, sir.
Was that an HBCU?
Yo.
Would not let it happen to me, personally. What?
Hello.
No, bro.
She wants to come in, Tessa.
Huh?
A few years ago, an astronaut snuck a gorilla suit onto the International Space Station.
SpongeBob? How do you sneak a gorilla suit? Do you vacuum compress it and put it in like your back bag or something? Oh, that's so cool. Oh, he wants to go wake up his friend. Where the ears at? Asking the same question. Oh, corgis are cute. I wonder how big a corgi can get. Oh. Hey, it's a cat.
Here's a video I found of giant tortoises moving at full speed.
That is a huge tortoise. How old are they? I heard like different turtles can live for extremely long
The video's
periods of
ending
time.
now. Goodbye.
Why didn't he say later? That was so passive aggressive. The video's ending now. Goodbye. Who is that? Hold on, I might have to watch that video. Dante, what you on? Good Burger, home of the good. But why is it recommending me Good Burger? You all see this? It's recommending me Good Burger after watching Daily Dose. I thought I was subscribed. Subscribe. I'm probably on the. I subscribed on the short channel. Probably. Hey, good Daily Dose. Because sometimes I be having a daily dose of problems, but I also have my daily dose of vitamin D, and I changed it. It used to be just vitamin D. Now it's vitamin D and biotin. So I'm trying to grow my hair out and then cut it.